What's up, everybody? Welcome back to Dick's Garage. So the time has finally come to pull this motor out. I've been wanting to do this the whole time I've had this truck. It's got the 300 inline six. The thing leaks like you wouldn't believe. So I don't have to change the oil. I can just keep dumping new oil in. But I'm gonna pull that out, and I'm excited because I was chatting with the guys from DFW Speed Syndicate and kind of put together a shopping list. So I'm going to get this thing pulled out, get it stripped down, send the block over to the machine shop. We'll go through it, deck it, do whatever we got to do to get it looking good, and then I'm gonna set the thing up to be able to turbo it later. So we'll do forged pistons, head studs. We'll do a cam, the whole 9 yards, intake, exhaust. I'm going to do a ACES fuel system, 4R70W transmission, everything. I'm gonna just do it all while I'm in there. So I'm excited. I'm really excited to get this thing going because this thing is a dog right now. We might be pushing 100 horsepower. So, I mean, it runs great, like they always do. But yeah, I think it's time we get going on this. I mean, we've done a lot to the truck already, from power steering conversion, disc brake conversion. I just did power brakes, short bed conversion. I mean, I don't even know what else. Lots of stuff. Anyways, this will be the big one. So if you haven't already, be sure to like and subscribe and follow along. I'll be putting out progress videos, and this is the first for me. I've never done anything this extensive. I mean, I feel like I'm pretty mechanically inclined. I'm pretty savvy. I can figure things out, but I'm open to suggestions. If you guys got advice, tips, suggestions, criticism, comments, whatever, I'm all ears. So this is a huge learning experience for me. But I'm excited, give me something to do and after work, and life's hard, and everybody's got a lot going on. It's nice to be able to just tune out, and just put all that stuff to the side and just work on something you enjoy and see progress. I like that. Anyways, enough of that. I think it's time to get going. Figured I'd do a little walk around real quick before we start really tearing this thing apart. Get a good look at everything. That way, when I forget where things go, I can look back at this and try to remember. But no, I don't think it'll be too bad. Anyways, basic straight six, nothing fancy yet. Where do I even start? I guess we'll just start with the battery and drain the radiator. And I don't know, just start disconnecting stuff, I guess. Right? Okay. All right, we got her out. I got to find some bolts to get her on this engine stand, but if you haven't already, be sure to like and subscribe, follow along. I appreciate the support, and we got a lot more coming up, so we'll catch you later.